Hello and welcome to Bird Barrier. My name is Michael Gallion, and today we're going to talk about 5 things that you should know about mud swallows. In the world of bird control, you will occasionally have an opportunity to solve one of these mud swallow problems. The first thing that you need to know is that these birds are very protected. Not just protected, why I say very protected is that they have the most expensive finds of any bird. You see these nests here that they make out of mud. You can be fined as much as $10,000 per nest if you were to remove them while they're active. And as some of these sites, you can imagine there could be hundreds of these nests, and you can get yourself in quite a bit of trouble. The main thing is this, number 2, is that you want to wait until after October 1st in North America before you start tampering and removing any of the nests. They have to become dormant. And the reason they become dormant at this time is that, number 3, they migrate. They're on their way to South America. So currently, at the time of this taping, we are in August, and the birds are still probably using most of their nest in North America, but they're wrapping it up. Most of the offspring have been born. A lot of them have fledged, and they're getting ready to start their long trip back to South America. And, they're really critical to the whole environment. That's why they have to be protected the way that they are. Number 4, they nest in the shade. A lot of people don't really understand what the idea behind their mud nest are, but ultimately they build up under eaves in shady places. The simple mechanics of nature, if bright sunlight is shining directly on the dried mud, it's going to crack from expansion and the nest is going to fall apart. So they are always looking for shade, and therefore the way to solve them is to push them out of these shady areas. Don't allow them into the shade. And that's number 5. The solutions that are available, especially with optical gel, allow just about anybody to be able to treat these effectively now. That optical gel is the example on the left of this slide. On the right is a much more permanent, long-term change to the structure with bird slide, and that will solve this as well. For any more questions on this, we have additional information available on our website, but that's basically it. 5 things that you should know about mud swallows.